So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, 1 hour back the RRB PO results are out, but just now I have checked the results. Like as you can see, the time is 5:14. I don't know what I'm speaking. I'm like, okay, I'll just show you the results first and then talk. So yes guys, I have been shortlisted for the mains examination. I'm super happy, and also at the same time very nervous regarding the mains examinations. Like I have started preparing for the mains examination, but not at a very strict level. So yeah, only 15 more days are left, so yes, I need to prepare it well. So I'm very happy. I'll just say you like why I'm very happy. Firstly, I have cleared this pre, and also this is my first attempt giving the RRB PO exam. So I was sure that I have given the exam very nicely. Like I was super confident that whatever I have marked was 90 to 100% accuracy. But I was in a dilemma whether I will be shortlisted or not due to the cutoff. But yeah, finally I have been shortlisted. I'm super happy, and also let me know in the comment sections like, have you been shortlisted or not? And congratulations for all the aspirants who have been shortlisted for the mains examination, and we will work hard for the mains examination, and finally we will clear the interview, and we will be getting the job. So yes guys, I have been shortlisted. Thank you for watching the video.